Welcome again, friends. Today we will be solving CAT exam question which appeared in 2019. So this is basically profit and loss data interpretation question in which multi-axis format has been used to define revenues and cost in two different graphs. Okay, so their expected question would be profit and loss, those type of questions. So to solve these type of questions in which we have graphical information, we will convert this first into simple table. To do that, we are given some. We'll first try to understand what the graph is. So this is the revenue graph. This is the cost graph for 3 years, and profit. The graph is giving percentage wise the store's revenue in percentage wise and store's cost in percentage wise for particular year. So let's start with the first statement and then I'll tell you how we have to do it. The first statement says the percentage profit for the store in 2016 was 100%. So before proceeding to that also, we'll make a table sort of thing. So we'll make one for revenue, the other table for cost. Okay. And this will be dividing into three columns: 2016, 2017, 2018. Similarly, cost also will break into three columns: 16, 17 and 18. Then we'll make three rows, one for clothing, other one was for electronics, and third one is for our produce. Okay, so first statement is saying the percentage profit for the store in 2016 was 100%. So that means in 2016, if the percentage profit is 100%, that means revenue should be double than cost. So let's assume our cost was 100 in 2016. So our revenue would be 200 in 2016. So what was the breakup of this 100 in 2016? We get from this chart. So blue line is the one which is showing us the cost. So for clothing it is 30%. So 30% of 100 is 30 rupees. So for clothing it will be 30. Then for electronics it's again 30, right? 30% means 30, and remaining is 40 for produce. So we get 100% like this. And we'll take out percentage of 200 for clothing, electronics and produce using this blue graph here. So it is 20% for clothing. So 20% of 200 is 40. For electronics it is 50%. So 50% of 200 is 100 and rest is 60 of 200. Okay, so with this first statement we have got this. Now stores revenue doubled from 2016 to 17. So 2016 revenue was 200, so 17 it will be 400. Cost doubled from 2016 to 18. So it was 16 cost and 200 would be in 2018. Okay. Now the third student said there was no profit from the electronics department in 2017. Okay. So so before coming to this third statement, what we'll do is we'll solve the column for revenue in 2017 and column for cost in 2018, as we have got the 400 as the value for revenue in 2017. So we'll use this orange graph here. So for clothing it is 30% of 400, it will be 120. For electronics it's again 30%, 120. We are left with 160. Okay, similarly coming to last column here, for 200 for 18, that is green. So we have for produce it is 50% from here, so this will be 100 here for produce. For clothing it is 20%, so 20% of 200 is 40, remaining is 60. Okay, Now coming to this third statement, there was no profit from the electronics department in 2017. So that means if there's no profit from electronics department, so if this is 120, revenue is 120, so that means cost will be also 120 for here. So coming back to graph of cost for 2017, and for electronics we see 40%. This 40% cost is coming for electronics. So if 40% is 120, so that means 10% is 1/4 of this, right? So that will be 30%. 30. So if so we'll find value for clothing. So it is 30%. 30 into 30 is 90. 30 into 3. This will be 90. And for produce also it is 30%. So this again will be 90%. 90, sorry. So total cost for 2017 would be 300. Okay. Now coming to last statement, in 2018 revenue from clothing department was same as the cost incurred in produce department. Okay, to 2018 revenue from clothing department would be same as cost in produce department. So cost in produce in 2018 was 100. So revenue here would be 100 for clothing. Okay, now again using the same logic, for 2018 we have green line. So 40% is 100. So that means 10% is 25. Okay, so for electronics we have 20%. So that means 50. Okay, and this will be 40% again. So this will be 100. So that means 250 was the total revenue here. Okay, so we have got the values. Now we'll come to the question and solve them. Okay, question 1 is what was the profit percentage of the store in 2018? So 2018 we have seen revenue is 250 and cost is 200. So that means profit is 50 upon 200. So that is 25%. Second is what was the ratio of revenue generated from produce department in 2017 to that in 2018? So revenue in 2017 was 160 and in 2018 is 100. So that will give us the ratio of 8:5. This is our answer 3. What percentage of total profit for the store in 2016 was from the electronics department? So for 2016 we see profit from electronics is 100 minus 30, that is 70. So it will be 70% total, since total profit is 100%. So out of which 70% we are getting from electronics, 40 minus 30, that is 10% from this, and 60 minus 40 produce 20%. So answer is 30%, 70%. 100 minus 30, that is 70% profit is coming from electronics department. What was the approximate difference in profit percentage of the store in 2017 and 18? So 2017 profit is 400 minus 300 upon 300. So that is 100 upon 300. So that is 33%. 33% in 2017, and 2018 it is, we have calculated in first question, 25%. Okay, so that's approximately 8%, 8.3%. So this is our answer. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow again with one more question. Keep watching. Thank you.